Hi, this is Don Martin. I am here again this afternoon because I wanted to draw your attention to something else on The Reasonable Realtor. TheReasonableRealtor.com is a website, it's a blog, of course, it's a way of life. It is a place where you can go and learn interesting things about selling your own house and saving commission. I wanted to stop in today, especially to speak to those of you in, let's say, Memphis. People in Memphis may be scratching their head right now, thinking, well, I need to sell my house. I hate to spend that much commission. I'm thinking about maybe selling it myself. I would love to get an MLS. Don't know how to do it. Maybe I'm going to Google it. Maybe I'm going to search and see what I come up with. Well, I've got to tell you, if you run a search on flat fee MLS listings, throw in your city if you want to, you're going to find a lot of returns for that search. A lot of the returns say add on them, which means that somebody has spent a lot of money to be competitive and to be there in your face in the first page or two of the search returns. They are probably people with a big national map. What you need, because if you go to work with them, they're just going to return you to your own state because real estate is for states. So if you are in Tennessee, for instance, the possibilities are that they're going to call me to work for you. So you can go ahead and put your money to its best use if you want to. Come and look at what I've got right now. I've been doing this a little over 36 years. I am certified. I am licensed. I am the guy that can put your flat fee MLS listing out there for thousands and thousands of people to see and help you sell it quickly if you decide you need to sell it. Anyway, go to thereasonablerealtor.com. I will put a link down here in the discussion section to make it easy for you to get there. If you want to think about listing your house, just go to thereasonablerealtor.com, go up to the menus, pull down the services, and one of the first choices is list my house. MLS list my own home. Check it out. My number's on there if you want to call me. If you want to email me, that's great too. I love answering questions. After 36 years, I can probably answer a lot of them, but I would look forward to talking to you. Anyway, thereasonablerealtor.com. My name is Don Martin. I am looking forward to talking with you. Thanks.